Hey guys, Jay Rich here. I appreciate you clicking on my video and watching it. Go on ahead and hit that like, subscribe, the bell, and even share it. If you got any topics that you'd like for me to go over, go on ahead and leave me a comment down below in the comment section. I appreciate you watching. What is going on, drivers and fellow CBers? It's Jay Rich back again. Today's video is grounding the antennas of Freightliner. This is an attempt. I'm not saying this is going to be the end-all be-all cure for high static in your CB on the Freightliner Coronado or whichever truck you might have that has the antenna on the mirror. A lot of the newer trucks are coming with the antennas on the back of the sleeper. They're doing away with off the mirror for whatever reason. Yeah, I prefer them off the mirror. The only thing I don't like about this truck is that the antennas sit so far out on the edge of the mirror that you're swiping trees constantly. I've already broke 2 fire sticks off of this truck and went back with the Wilson 2000s just because they hold up better to trees and stuff than the fiberglass antennas do. So let's get into this video. This is going to be pretty simple, and like I said, I don't know if it's totally going to work or not. It seems to help a little bit the way I had it before. I'm going to try something a little different, and hopefully it's going to work out, but whatever it ends up being, this can't hurt. So let's get into the video. I'm going to show you how to do it and show you what you need. Alright guys, first some of the things you will need to do this project. Number one is going to be an 18-inch piece of flat braided ground. You need some way to get scuff paint off. I'm using this angle grinder with a Scotch-Brite disc. You can use sandpaper if you want. I like impact drivers because they are a lot faster. T30 Torx bit. You can use a ratchet. Dielectric tune-up grease. This is going to keep your corrosion down, and you can use this on your grounds. You can use this on your PL259s, your antenna base, your antenna mounts, the antenna itself, whatever, to keep the corrosion out. You can use that stuff. It works really good. And you will need to get all these bolts and screws off of the door panel. And once you get those loose, basically come in with your finger and you're just going to give it a jerk to pop there's clips behind the door panel, just to pop those loose on the outside and the inside. And I removed this weather strip just for convenience. And you will have to get this kick panel off. There's a pin right in here. You have to pop the center section out, and then you can get the ring out. Behind your flooring here, there are 2 Torx bits behind the flooring. I think those are T25 if I remember correctly. You will have to remove the scuff plate. There's 1, 2, and 3 Torx bits that hold those in. I believe they're T25. Don't quote me on that. It's been a little while since I've done this. I just wanted to go ahead and make a video of it now. But you can see more in depth on me getting those out in my video of custom coax install step by step in a Freightliner. So what we're doing, we've got our flat braided ground strap. We're going to run it into this fairing. I don't know if you can see, but it goes down inside that fairing. It doesn't come inside the truck. It goes inside the fairing. But the bolt, the nut for the bolt that you're going to is behind this kick panel. So you will have to take that out if you go to the same location I did. Come back here behind your door. In that bolt hole right there where I scuffed the paint off of, you're going to trap this between the door panel and this metal panel to help ground the door. Then put everything back together here. Show you out here. Here's your flat braid. It goes under, and there's your bolt hole, or there's your bolt for this ground that comes down into your frame. Right there. There it is. To your frame. That should be a solid ground for this. Now, some others have said, well, ground the mirror hoop to the door. Well, that's all well and good, but the factory has already done that. If you take this out during your coax install, even if you don't install the coax, take this out. I think it's a T27 Torx head. Take this cap off. You will see that there's a ground strap that goes from this door hoop, or this mirror hoop, to the door itself. I mean, it doesn't go necessarily to the door. It goes to a bracket that's on the door that holds this mirror hoop on. But hopefully this works. I'm really hoping it works better than what I had it before. You know, because the static on these things are stupid. Even after you do a custom coax install like I did, this is about the only thing I've been able to rack my brain and come up with, is with the ground strap going to the door itself. Like I said, hopefully it works a lot better. But all right, guys, if you like my video, smash the like button. It's always appreciated. And as always, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. You know, keep your knees in the breeze and the shiny side up. We'll be seeing you.